so this is the video for what's in my backpack. And this is all of the stuff we got from Target. And now we're gonna take it out and me and Leo are gonna show you what we got, and then I'm gonna show you fully what's inside my backpack, how I organized everything. So, oh, and also little Nicholas is going to be the audience. He's gonna be watching us. Okay, let's start off with Leo stuff. So Leo got this folder because he's gonna, yeah, it's his. He's gonna like put drawings and stuff because he's gonna be coloring stuff with his mom. Then he also got this pre-K jumbo workbook. It's like different, yeah, this is Leo's. It's a lot of different fun stuff for Leo. He also got this notebook because he wanted to draw stuff inside. And also got these washable watercolors. And this is a watercolor album.
Wow, beautiful.
Yes, he's gonna do a lot of cool drawings. He also got this sentence building dominoes. It's different words inside. Yes, Leo! Okay, that was all of Leo's stuff for his arts and projects. And now I'm gonna take out everything that I have for my school. I also have this backpack that I'm going to be taking for school. And I'm gonna show you the final results of my backpack and what's inside it.
Do you think all this stuff fits your backpack?
It will, but I'm not gonna fit this inside my backpack because I don't need to carry this to school. So by the way, this is just a expanding organizer that I'm gonna put all of my subjects inside, like all of my papers. Once I finish them at home for homework, I'm gonna put them inside right here to store at home. So this is just for home organizer. Next, I have these two folders. One is with the setting sun, and the other one is just a pattern design, pink one. So I have these two folders for all of my papers and assignments. Guys, look at this! These are pens, and stationery is my favorite part of school because there's different colors, rainbows, markers. I can't wait to try these out on paper because I'm really gonna need these for school to take. Leo, what you got there? Yeah. This is cool. This is some lead for mechanic pencils that I'm gonna be taking to school. Yeah. Thanks. And these are just amazing. I can't wait to try them out on paper. So these are gonna be really helpful for me to take all of my notes for my assignments. Thanks, Leo. These are Bold and Bright Ultra Smooth ink pens. I haven't tried these yet, so I decided to take them because they're made with plant. So there's like plants inside. That's kind of cool. So I decided to take these. These are new, so can't wait to try them out. Look at this ruler. Interesting. What's wrong with it? It's a triangle ruler. Wow, I've never seen these before. This is interesting. Has inches and centimeters, so this is just what I need. Mechanical pencils, one of my favorites. I like regular pencils, but mechanicals are just easier. They write like small and stuff, so I like these the most. Also, I got some highlighters because I need to highlight all of my stuff. So guys, comment down below, do you use highlighters? I've used it quite a few times, highlighters, but I've never used these kinds. They're like big bananas. Look at their heads. Like kind of hats. They're funny. I like them. So Pilot G2 pens. I've never tried these before. Guys, have you tried these before to write your assignments? Comment down below. I can't wait to write with them. I think they're gonna be great. Erasers. I love these. These are gonna be awesome. Finally, oh, I forgot to mention, I got this folding ruler. It's like,
Wow.
It goes like that. So it can fold up like kind of scissors. It's funny, but I'm gonna see which one I'm gonna use, this one or this one. Finally, the last thing for school is my planner. So I was walking down the store and then my eyes fell on this amazing planner. I was like, wow, and I decided to take it because I really need a planner for all of my homework assignments so that I don't forget when my due dates are coming up for tests and stuff like that. So inside I have these stickers and a ruler, kind of. But then I have these little outlines for all of the months, so it's easy for me to see what the month is. So I can open it up, and this is the big calendar. This is October, by the way, my birthday month. Wow!
Wow, it's coming soon.
Yes, my birthday's coming soon, and I'm so excited for it. I'm gonna turn 13!
Oh, you are going to be a teenager.
I'm gonna be a teenager, yes. Really excited. I also have this things I'm gonna do my day to write my stuff out. Wow, guys, look how this little guy from there went to here. He was sitting and now he's crawling. My little precious treasure. I love you. Okay, guys, so now let's put everything in my backpack.
Wow, great.
I forgot to mention that I also got these resistant bands for my squats because I like to work out.
Is it some kind of subject in your school?
No. I'm just gonna be working out with my mom for fun and to be healthy. So I just got these to help me strengthen my body. So
Great.
yes, but that's not a subject in school that I need to do. Little Nicholas, what are you doing? You need to be right here. Sit down. Practice your sitting. Good boy. Okay, now let me real quick put all the stuff inside my backpack and then I can show you my final results.
Oh, you have something in your backpack.
Yes, I already do have some stuff, but it's not all of it.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road.
Hey, Nicholas, don't eat trash. It's not food.
I think we need to move him
Yes.
because he wants to eat something from your backpack.
Phew. Okay, guys, I finally finished packing my school backpack, and it's so thick, full with stuff inside.
Give me. I'll try. Oh my goodness!
It's not as heavy, and plus, I'm gonna put my lunchbox inside and my water bottle full with water, so it's gonna add a little bit extra weight, but it's not that much. It's not really like I can lift it up with my hand. Ooh. Okay, let's see what's inside. So, no, first of all, I'm gonna show you. So inside these pockets, I'm gonna keep my phone probably and some like tissues in here. So in this pocket, in my little one, I have this bag with me, my emergency bag that I have stuff inside. It's not really emergency, but let me show you what's inside. So I have some gum.
Gum?
Yes, just in case, like after, what?
Why do you need gum for the school?
Because after I eat lunch, for a fresh breath, I could like use some gum. Because we eat food.
Okay.
Then I have my hairbrush. It's like a mini one that I use in case of emergency if I need to brush my hair. Then I have an extra rubber band in case I lose one. Then I have some hand cream in case my hands get rough.
It's really different than boys' backpack. When I had my backpack, it was totally different. Totally.
Well, yeah, girls and boys are different. I also have this compact mirror that has like a waterfall with stars. I'm gonna use it just in case if I need to look myself in the mirror and check if I'm all good. And then last but not least, I have my Camp Maviden lip balm that I bought for my summer camp that I went to. And it's just amazing. I love it. It's just perfect. So this is all I have in my,
Emergency case.
yeah.
I never had emergency case in my backpack.
You don't need one. Okay, that's in this backpack. Now,
Oh, it says Karolina.
yes. Oh, and I got this bag for as one of my presents for my 12th birthday from my parents, and they made this sign that says Karolina. And I used to use this for my makeup bag. I don't really wear makeup. It's just I put there like lip balms and stuff, lotion and stuff like that. Yeah, but now I decided to put my emergency stuff in here.
Great.
Clip that right there and clip that right there. Clip. I'm trouble. And clip that right there. I also have this charm right here. It's a machine cat. And I have this one. I got both of these charms from Claire's. So I have this one with diamonds inside, and it's really cute. It's like purple, pink, and blue diamond. And the machine cat. That's my charms. Now the big pocket. What's inside with all of my school stuff? Let's see. Okay.
Wow, it's so organized.
Yes, it is, because I'm an organized person. I don't like when things are just a mess, so I try to organize them the best way I can. And here I have this koala that I made, and it's you open it up, and then there's like some notepads that I could write my homework down and then transfer it to my planner. I'm not gonna put my planner inside my backpack because it's like way too big. When I take it out, I need to list the page, and I can't like right away put my assignments down because we have limited time to put our homework down. So I'm gonna put it in this and then transfer it at home to my schedule.
Great idea.
Yes, and in all of these pockets, I don't have anything else inside because I don't need it. I also have my water bottle that I decorated with. It's kind of old, but maybe I'm gonna tear this sticker off because it's falling apart. But it has a few stickers that I put on inside, and I'm gonna fill it up fully because it's just filled up right here. I'm gonna fill it up
It's
fully.
gonna be more heavy, your backpack.
Yes, it is gonna be heavier. And also I'm gonna put my lunchbox inside here. So it's gonna be,
Wow.
a lot heavier. Also, this is my pencil case that I got this year. I wanted a more compact one because I had a huge pencil case. So I wanted a tiny one. So in here I have this, it's for math. It's it's a curved ruler. That's what I call it. I'm just gonna call it a curved ruler. I'm gonna put it inside right here, like that. Now inside. So this actually extends so that it's bigger. That's why it's open like that. But this is the main pocket. And in here I have all of my colored pens for note taking. So yeah, that's my pencil case. Oh, I'm gonna add correcting tape because I couldn't find that at Target today, so I'm gonna buy that from Amazon. Then I'm gonna add some correcting tape inside. But that's all for my pencil case.
He likes your cat.
Yes, he does, Nicholas.
He likes your backpack.
Thanks, Nicholas. Okay, so this is my new Bible that I got, and I can't wait to start reading it because it's so nice. I love the color, and I had the King James version, so it was hard to read for me. But this one is the NIV version, so it's easier. And it's a Bible just for girls, so it's only for me and the other girls. Look like a little treasure. They have like little decorations and stuff, and verses that you could read. They also have a lot of quizzes. Let me see. I'm gonna find. Oh, like this. It has a lot of quizzes and little just enchantments for you to know yourself. So I'm really excited to read this. I'm gonna be taking this to school, taking this Bible. It's pretty thick, but I like it. Then I have my Cactus Notebook. It was just a plain notebook, but I added this strap. Yeah, it says happy, and I colored these lines and put a smile right here, and I glued it right here so I could just like take it out like that and then write my stuff inside here. These are like all of my notes that I was taking there. So yeah, this is my Kingdom of God notebook.
Very interesting.
This notebook, it's the space one with a lot of animals inside. And this one I'm going to be using for my literature and composition notebooks. Or maybe I'm going to be using this for science. Yeah, this one is for science. This one, it's really nice. I love the glaze of it. And I'm going to be using this one for literature and composition because that one is for science with the animals. So, and this is the notebook that I made myself. It's the watery one. I had it for a few years because I made it for 4th grade and I still have pages left in there. See how much. This is my math notebook, by the way. And it's really special to me because look how beautiful it is. It has my favorite color inside, glittery, sparkly, light blue. Yes.
Don't you afraid that
it's gonna leak?
Yeah, leak in your backpack?
It's not gonna leak because I already took this to school like a million times, and it's really safe proof because I sealed the edges with some iron. So
Great.
I ironed the edges so it's not gonna leak through. It's perfectly well sealed.
Great.
I love it. It's like a pillow. I could sleep in class. Oh. But this is my math notebook.
So creative for math notebook.
Yeah. I used to use this for physics and chemistry, and it was pretty fun because it was like physics and chemistry. So yeah, and now that's all for my notebooks. And then in here, I have 2 folders that I showed you already. It's the sunset one and this pink one. And I'm gonna be using this for all of my assignments that I'm gonna be needing to put like my pages, homework, or my pages of things I need to do. So it's good to have these with you. And last but not least, drum roll please, is my ruler, my triangle ruler. And I'm just gonna keep this in the back of my backpack, so in case I need it.
In case you need to hit someone.
Bad boy. In case I need to
Yeah.
give someone a punishment. Ow!
I'm
Of
just
course.
kidding. Don't hit anyone.
Guys, I'm kidding too. Never hit people with a wooden stick on the head because it's gonna hurt really badly. I was just joking, but yes, that's not good. I don't like that behavior of teachers, but I like nice, good teachers when you behave in class. Please be the student that behaves in class, not as the annoying one, because then if you want to be in great contact with your teachers, then you have to be nice to them. So please be the student that always listens, and if you're gonna listen in class, you're gonna be good. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I can't wait to go back to school, and please write in the comments below. Are you excited to go back to school or no? I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I love you guys so much. Stay tuned for more. Bye!